Archie Variantos, and my partners.
I am Earl Randolph Aylo. So here we are. We're given a task in our subject, PMIS5 Resilience. So our task is to make a blog interview about our personal experience. And we were given a 5 question.
So I'll ask Earl first in the personal question, and he will follow up the question and I answer it. So the first question is, what is one challenge experience have you overcome in the past years?
So for me, it's about lack of money or financial problem in our family. So how about you?
Me is become a working student and without family support and acceptance with my own deadline.
So next question is, what personal qualities or strategies help you get through it?
The personal qualities and strategies that I get through all my challenges in the past years is to move forward, try to experience and to learn something, and learn from a mistake and never do it again. And how about you, Earl?
So the strategy that I did to overcome that is by helping my mother salit balo in the night and doing sidelines like manual labor and fishing in the night, so that I won't ask my mother for money.
How about what did you learn about yourself during that time?
So I learned that I can do a lot of things by believing myself and being hardworking. So from the saying, kung wala kang itatanim, wala ka rin aanuhin. So you must work hard first before you can achieve your goals. How about you?
I learned from my joke. I learned about myself during that time is to I need to step up. I need to grow, because my sister said that the world is big, you need to be adventurous. So I didn't settle myself to those challenges, so I need to overcome those and trust myself, and I know I'm capable of anything if I want it. So because God knows everything, and he knows that I'm capable of. So the fourth question is, Earl, what are the current source of stress in your life?
So the current sources of strength in my life.
Current source.
First is God. I believe in Him. I believe that all that I've done is for Him. And also my family and loved ones. Especially my mother. Because she's the only one who supports me. And she believes in me. And also my friends who keep on lifting me up to my downs. So those are the sources of my strength. How about you?
The same as the number one. Of course, I always put God first, and second is my sisters and my mother. I don't do with my father. I'm not saying that I hated my father, because he didn't support me with my college or study era. So which is I didn't include, but not really necessarily I didn't love my father though. Even sa pabali-baliw na kalibutan paano ko to. And of course my friend, because my friend, without them I don't know how can I survive. And also myself. The fifth is what support or strategy might help you cope better.
So my strategy for coping is talking to my family about my problems. So they'll give me advice, and my friends, I hang out with them so that I forget some of my problems. They help you, and they can also make me happy. For you, Lalo.
For me is first again it's God. I always talk to God and I cried about my problem because sometimes I only trust myself. Yes, I listen to my friends' advice, but nevertheless I hope 100% to God. So mostly I talk to God and cry about it. I only talk with my friends when I'm ready or they are lifting me up about my problem. They encourage me to move forward and to grow. That's because it comes to family. Not really I hated my family though. We are in almost broken family. I didn't muchly trusted them. So I prefer to talk with God and friends. So what's next?
So next is the three.
Okay.
So we have a follow-up. So first is one personal strength to remember.
Okay. So itong strength. Okay. So di ko sabihin ko. Marami ko ay doon. So ikaw na daw.
So me, I am brave and courageous to try new things to gain new knowledge.
Maybe to me, I'm an adventurous person though. I love to adventure and I want to learn everything about world and I need to step up because the world is big. Even a little thing I need to know about it.
So second is one positive affirmation.
For me is there are no limits to what I can achieve.
Oh, that's a good affirmation.
Wala yung limitasyon ang atong pangandoy which is what ko limit na possible na ma-achieve ito na.
So for me is I am persistent in the pursuit of my goals. Padayon ko labot pa sa
Sure sa computer.
So
So
last
is
one resilience strategy to try this week.
okay, life is not a competition. Take it slowly. I know you can achieve it.
So for me this week I'll try to hang out with my friends, catch up with them, and maybe play a basketball.
May talent basketball.
So maybe that's all about our review vlog.
Okay. So how we end it like how. So do you have any question about it and about concern and clarification?
Not so far, but we learned a lot about ourselves.
Yeah.
Through this activity, we deepened our bond, our friendship. So this, we can prove that we are certain people.
For me is I came back with my past experience. I never thought that I can survive or I can be free because being a working student it's hard. I felt that I've chained for a whole 6 years, but now I'm fully free like a fairy. Fairy. So I think that's all. Thank you. I'm so blessed to have this to have this kind of activity so that we can understand more about ourselves and we value a friendship and to understand our situation right now.
So thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for this opportunity.
Yeah.
So
That's all.
that's
Thank
how
you.
we end our vlog. Thank you.
Bye.